Hi there guys, how are you all? Hope you're all doing good. And today I'm going to take you all to our South India, that to Mangalore. And in this session, I'm going to show you how to make a Mangalore style chicken Gassi. Or you are all familiar with the Mangalore style chicken curry, which goes excellent with the neer dosa or the Kori rotti. And this recipe is my personal favorite whenever I make a neer dosa or the idlis, and it goes excellent with it. So without much wait, let's see how to do this beautiful chicken Gassi, that to Mangalore style. Look here, I have taken nearly 600 grams of fresh chicken which has been cut into a curry cut pieces, and I have washed them thoroughly for about 2 to 3 times. And in this I am going to add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Give this a nice mix. And we'll allow this to rest until the masala is done. To make this awesome Mangalore style chicken curry, here I kept a pan to heat. In this, I'm going to add this whole spices such as a 1.5 inch of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of jeera, a quarter teaspoon of black peppercorns, and a quarter teaspoon of methi seeds, and a quarter teaspoon of ajwain, and 4 to 5 cloves. Keep in mind, the flame should be on a low. And we'll add this and we'll dry roast them. There should be a nice aroma arising. Till then you need to dry roast them. And now you can see all the spices are roasted nice and good. At this time we'll take this out in a plate and allow this to cool. Similarly, I have taken nearly 8 to 10 bedgi chilies and 5 to 6 Guntur chilies, and we will dry roast them until it gets nice and crisp. And here you go, the chilies are nice and crisp. We'll take these chilies out in a plate and allow these to cool. Look, in the same pan I'm going to add nearly 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. In this I'm going to add roughly chopped onion, 1 number, and an inch of ginger, and few curry leaves. Here I have taken nearly 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. In this I'm going to add half of them, and we need to cook them until the onions get translucent. And here you go, the onions looks perfect and it's become translucent. We'll take these onions out in the same plate and allow this to cool completely. And here I'll take a mixie jar, and now look, all the ingredients have completely cooled down. I will add this to the mixie. Look, I have forgot to add the tamarind. In this I'm going to add nearly 10 grams of tamarind, and we'll make a fine paste of this. And here you go, the paste is nice and good. And now look, the masala paste should be this fine and it's perfectly done. Let's keep this aside. Look, I've taken another small mixie jar. In this I have taken nearly 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. If you don't have this desiccated coconut, take a raw grated coconut and just saute for about 2 minutes on a low flame and add this and grind this to a fine powder. And here you go, the desiccated coconut also has been nicely powdered, and keep this also aside. And look here, I have kept a pot to heat. In this I am going to add another 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And now the oil seems to be nice and hot. In this we'll add a remaining garlic, a strand of curry leaves, and one small medium-sized onion chopped, and give this a nice mix and cook until the onions get translucent. And now the onion seems to be sauteed nice and well. At this time we'll add the chicken. And give this a chicken nice mix. And we need to cook this chicken until it's nearly 50% done. And now we'll close the lid and allow this to cook for about 10 minutes on a low to medium flame. And do remember, keep stirring in between. And here you go, it's been nearly another 10 minutes. Let's open the lid. You can see we didn't add a bit of a water, even though the chicken itself oozes out its moisture. And you can see the chicken is also nicely cooked. It's actually leaving the bone. It means that the chicken has been cooked for about 60 to 70%. At this time we'll add the coriander powder and give this a mix. And we'll add the masala paste. And give this a nice mix. And we'll also add this water. And also add salt as per taste. And give this a nice mix. So you need to adjust this consistency at this point. I need a somewhat semi-gravy kind of thing. So that's why I'm adding a little more of water. Keep in mind that in the last, I'm going to add some coconut powder. That indeed will make the gravy some more thick. Keep that in mind. And now you can see the gravy has come to a boil. And we'll close the lid and let this cook for about 10 minutes on low to medium flame. And now look, it's been nearly 10 minutes. Let's open the lid. Wow, this looks just perfect. In this, we'll add the desiccated coconut powder and give this a nice mix. When you add the desiccated coconut nut, the gravy will become some more thick. And allow this to cook for just 2 minutes. I will close the lid and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. And now look, it's been 10 minutes. Wow, just look at this. And I hope you can see all the oil is floating on the top. Look at this. All the oil is floating on the top. It means the chicken and the gravy is completely cooked and it's perfectly done. And now the Mangalore style chicken Gassi or the chicken curry is perfectly ready. Wow, just look at this. Awesome. Just look at the color of this gravy. This Gassi looks so tempting. Just the look of this Mangalore chicken Gassi, it's so tempting and it's so delicious at the same time. Just do as the way I shown you and I'm pretty sure you will just love this. And this will go excellent with neer dosa, idli, and just the plain rice will also taste so much better with this chicken Gassi. I hope you guys like this video, and if you found this video useful, then share this video link with your family and friends and tell them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and click the notifications to all. Then only you will get all our updates. So we'll be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, this is your host Deepak Kshatriya signing off and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaste.